Here's how to convert to AVI. So that's that .avi video format. I use an app that I created called ConvertSave. It is an app for Windows and Mac, and it works directly on your desktop. All you have to do is drag and drop your files in. You can do multiple. I've done 1,000 or more files to test it out. It still works. And then we select the output and we go to AVI in this case. So this will be like MP4 to AVI or whatever video file that you have. Hit convert and it will save it right next to where that file came from. And so that's ConvertSave. There's a link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. It does exactly that. It converts and then it saves. So I basically was like, hey, to my brother, I'm pretty sick of uploading these files to random websites to then have them converted and have to download them and only do a couple at a time. And so he was like, well, why don't we just make an app that works for Windows and desktop and converts images, video, and audio? And then he made it. And so I was like, all right, this is awesome. Let's put it out there for people. And so we created ConvertSave, and it's this file converter. We're still working on adding like tons of different maybe document formats and stuff like that too. But yeah, it works for video, it works for audio, it works for images. Hopefully you guys find it useful. That's how I convert to AVI now on both Mac and Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.